Welcome to the Blood Pressure Monitor Pro app tutorial video. Upon opening your app, click the red icon on the top of the screen to register your device so that we can tailor your experience. You can scroll down and add a daily blood pressure reminder if needed, and change options such as deleting records or changing themes. Next, click the Add button on the bottom navigation bar. Here you can add your blood pressure and pulse, as well as adjusting the date and time if needed. The app will automatically give you feedback on your reading, and you can then select either a quick entry or a full entry. We recommend you do one full entry towards the end of the day to give lifestyle analysis and suggest improvements if necessary. Next, click the Stats button to see a snapshot of your blood pressure and lifestyle results. Here you can change the results from 7 to 14 days or even a custom time frame. The graph gives a quick visual representation of your blood pressure results. The app also calculates and breaks down your blood pressure readings into clear, understandable stats. Scroll down further and you can see your full health analysis, showing your health score and areas of future improvement. Click on each icon to learn more. You can also view all your records here and generate a PDF report that shows your blood pressure readings, lifestyle factors, and trend analysis, which you can share with your healthcare provider via email or print a copy for yourself. We hope you enjoy using your new Blood Pressure Pro app.